So here is a file named welcome, which already contains some text. Now I want to add some new text without overwriting the existing text. This needs the use of append mode in C, and that is what we're gonna learn today. Now let's have a quick look on the steps we will follow. 1. Creating a file pointer. 2. Opening the file. 3. Creating a character array. 4. Taking input from user. 5. Copying the user input to the character array. 6. Appending the user input, stored in the array, to the existing text file. Let's go. Here you can see that the new text is just right after the existing text without deleting the existing text. This is the use of append mode in C.